I'm a resilience officer at Derry City and Strabane District Council, and obviously over the past 2.5 days is a great help because I'm sort of undertaking a lot of the resilience work within council now, and business continuity, and one of those areas we'll be looking at is cybersecurity. So the course has been extremely beneficial for this, and at least now I'm better informed to take away with me. I have the first of my resilience working groups meetings now just in a week, so at least some of the stuff that you've covered, Armara, I can actually raise now at that, so it has been extremely beneficial. One of the other things I would say, Armara, I found you an excellent trainer. You included all of us and was very interactive, which I do find that online training, you know, it's difficult to stay on track at times, so but you did an excellent job at that, so thank you very much. You certainly kept me alert the whole 2.5 days, so thank you for that.